Hello again, welcome back one more time. I just took a few minutes break to continue this class. Again, within class from this part of the world, it is also a common class for both 9th standard and 10th standard, especially regarding science. Okay, so this is about international system of units. The last class, whatever I discussed, just keep it in mind. Okay, because writing exams it won't give that much time. 3 hours means 3 hours, that's it. 15 marks extra is there for to read and analyze the question paper. Okay, so that's a systematic approach you must do while writing the answers. Exam preparation, time preparation is a very not hard thing, very important thing regarding 10th standard students. Okay, 9th standard students. Anyway, one more year is there, but you also just train it just now. Just watch your. Anyway, this year there won't be that much exam for that, but keep this in mind. Three hours will be there for the exam. That's sure. So let us go with the standard units. What is this SI unit? International Standard Units. You already discussed in. We already discussed in the last class. But this class, what we are going to do? Some of the important things which you can mark in your brain. Just mark it in your brain. You don't want to forget it your entire life because it's a common thing. Even if you are not interested in physics, even if you are not interested in science, these things you must know. Understand? Regarding time, regarding length, regarding weight, mass, length, time. These are the three important units in the entire world. A day is not passing without that. Isn't it? A day is not passing without the use of these three things: length, mass, and time. Isn't it? For example, you are going to school. How many kilometers from your home to school? Kilometer. Okay, it's a unit. Isn't it? Go to shop, buy 5 kg of banana. No, 5 kg it's a bit big. Okay, 1 kg of banana. It is fine. 2 kg of apple. 1 kg of potato. It's also a unit, right? Isn't it? What is the time now? 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 6 past 15, 6 hours, 15 minutes, and 12 seconds. Isn't it? Another unit. So these are some of the units which we use in daily life, not only in our country, in the entire world. But at the same time, for calculation, what we are doing in physics, we need a standard unit. For example, if you are comparing two distance between two places, for example, I am going from here to Mumbai, you are going from here to Kolkata. Sorry, not Kolkata, from your place to your market. Understand? I am going from here to Mumbai, you are going to your market from your home. And your market is 900 meter. 900 meter from your home. 900 meters. And I am traveling from Bangalore to Mumbai. Just imagine that. I don't know the correct distance. Just imagine the distance is 750 kilometers from Bangalore to Mumbai. If I am writing it in words, you traveled 900, I traveled 750. We are not writing the unit. Think. I am telling what's the importance of units. You are writing, you traveled 900, I am writing, I traveled 750. If somebody is reading that sentences, what they will assume in their mind? That you traveled more than me. Isn't it? Because you traveled 900, I traveled 750. What we told to that person is actually true. I traveled only 750. You traveled only 900. Is that true or not? Of course it is true. The person by seeing that sentence he will understand, okay fine, me, big guy, isn't it? But still traveling very less distance than you. You are only 15, 14 years old. What he will think in the mind? He will think I am a lazy man, isn't it? But in reality, who travels more distance? Me, poor me, but still lazy. Isn't it? That's why we want to write that unit. 750 kilometer is more than 900 meters. Even though we are only taking that numbers, it will seem that 900 meter is more. But in reality, 700 and 750 kilometers is more than 900 meter. Isn't it? That's why we need to convert a lot of things into standard units. Understand? Just imagine poor me, lazy me, only 750. Is that fair? No. I need justice. That's why while calculating these numericals in science or in physics, especially in physics, what you want to do? You want to convert all these measurements into their standard unit. Another example I will tell. Okay. Regarding time. Regarding time. You reached market within 100 meters. How much minute it will take? Almost like 50 minutes. Is it fine? 50 minutes, it will take 50 minutes. Okay. For traveling 900 meters, it will take 50 minutes. For traveling 750 kilometers, it will take like 15 hours. You 50 minutes, 50 minutes, I am traveled. For 15 hours, I am traveling. Okay, almost 150 kilometers will take 15 hours to travel. Again, the same person come. He is looking. How much time you traveled? 50. How much time I traveled? 15. Again, who is the lazy guy? Me, isn't it? Is that fair? One more time, again I am cheated, isn't it? So that's why what we want to do, we want to convert all the things, okay, into standard unit. For example, in a question, we need to find what length. Anyway, there's a lots of numericals in 9th standard and 10th standard. In 9th there is more than 10th. But some of the standard unit, now you understand what is the importance of standard unit. Without units, without standard units, reality, we cannot know the reality. Understand? In reality, I traveled more. I traveled more time. Understand? But when you write simply in numbers, what will happen? There will be confusion. To solve that particular confusion, you want to convert all the terms which is given in the problems into SI units. For example, the first one is the SI unit of length. How we measure the length. Anyway, there's a lots of confusion regarding kilometer or meter. Actually, SI unit of length is meter. Understand? I'm not writing because I will give that chart to you. I will give that chart to you. You can use that, no problem with that. SI unit of length is meter. Okay, SI unit of mass. Actually, we are not telling it as weight. Really, weight means mass with gravity. Okay, SI unit of mass, we are taking it as what? Kilogram, not gram. For length it is meter. For mass, for weight it is kilogram, not gram. And for time it is second. Isn't it? I think you know the conversion of second into minute into hour. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 3600 seconds. How many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 meter is equal to how many kilometers? 1000 kilometers. 1 centimeter is equal to how many? Or 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. 1 gram is equal to 100 milligrams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, these things you must know in your mind. These are common basic things. One more time, I won't waste my time regarding all these things. Okay, see that chart, you will understand everything. Some other standard units are there. Electric current, 10 standard students. What is the standard unit? Ampere, correct. Temperature. Actually, temperature, thermodynamic temperatures, standard unit is not degree Celsius, it is Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin, that is the standard unit of temperature. Anyway, temperature and all calculations we are not doing in 10th standard or in 9th standard. Okay, so you are lucky. Next year or in first year PUC or second year PUC it will come for your higher studies, and that's a bit twisty also. Okay, just for your general knowledge I am telling. Okay, amount of substance, in chemistry you studied it is mole, mole, mole. And okay, that's it. Some extra frequency, hertz, force, Newton, pressure, all those things. Some of these things are important for 10th standard students, not for 9th standard students. Okay, 9th standard students, you go only for these two things, I think. Only mass, three things: mass, time, and length for 9th standard. For 10th, lots of things are there. I'm not telling, you can directly see that chart and you can understand that. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of this SI unit class. And in that chart I am included some extra thing also, like 1 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to how many meters? Understand, how many meters? For example, 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3. That calculation also you want to study. Understand? Means milli means divide by 1000, and micro means divide by 1 lakh, like that. Milli and micro, sometimes it will ask. Mostly milli it will ask. Milli means divide by 1000. Micro means divide by 1 lakh. Like this I am telling, means you won't understand. Just go through that chart. Okay. Okay, anyway, that's it for today. I think today's syllabus I want to take. I am in a good mood to take the class, but too many classes if I am sending means it will be boring for you. Anyway, one small introductory class I will take and send after this video. So what you want to do, whenever you get time, these two videos which I already logged in, this is only for your basics. Okay, that's not regarding your science part and all. Whenever you are getting time, at that time you go with this. Okay, that's it. That's the end of the study lesson. Next session we will continue with our regular syllabus. All the best, because both of you classes are going through physics. Okay, and two interesting classes for both. The most difficult classes, one is for 9th, the nightmare of all the students, motion and electricity for 10th standard. So signing off, see you soon with the next video. Bye my kids, stay home, stay safe, Jai Hind.